My name is
Yeah, very good morning, one and all children.
Good morning, teacher.
Yeah, good morning. How are you all?
Fine. I am fine, teacher.
Very good. Yeah. Okay. So let us start our class. So what is the chapter
Fine,
we're going with? What is
Can
the
we
chapter?
share,
Can we share? Very good.
Can we share, ma'am?
Yeah. Nice to see you, Joseph, in school dress.
We start class.
If others also come in school dress, we'll have a feeling of school. Yeah, very good, Shruti. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Bhumika. Okay, let us start. So we were doing the chapter, can we share? I think most of the problems we have done. We are left with few problems in textbook. Let us complete that now. Okay. So
Okay,
let
ma'am.
me share that.
Complete this chapter, ma'am, already.
We have not completed the chapter. Still a little part is left. Let us do that. Okay. This we have done already. Raj has 36 minutes to make rotis.
Good, ma'am.
Children, quickly write your name. Write your name in the chat box.
Hi, ma'am. I have written, ma'am.
Yeah. As for those who have not written, please write your name in the chat box.
Written my name, ma'am. Ma'am, please all of you mute, ma'am. Class
Yeah. So we were left with few textbook problems. Let us do that quickly. I'm not taking much time for this. We'll make it fast because already we have done this. Okay. Raj has 36 minutes to make rotis. So what is the total time he has? 36 minutes, right? So all right. So he has 36 minutes to make rotis. And each roti takes 3 minutes. What is the time for each roti? 3 minutes. How many rotis can he make in this time? He can make dash rotis. This is what you have to find. So 36 minutes. This 36 minutes you have to divide with each roti taking each roti taking the time. Each roti takes 3 minutes. So you have to find out 36 divided by 3. 36 divided by 3. So how to find this? Whenever we have seen division, we try to find the table of this number, isn't it? Divisor. This is called divisor. This is what we have discussed in the previous classes. Quickly settle down, Kartika, still you are moving. So you have to find out 3 table. Let us find out 3 table. 36 divided by 3. How to do this? So see here, 36 divided by 3. As we have discussed, we have to see the table of 3 and find out where do you get 36. But how to know that? Let us check. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Here you have 36. So you know 3 tens are 30. So I am starting with here because already this is 36 more than 30. So there is no use of reading the other tables which are less than 10, right? So 3 tens are 30. So next is you have to find out 3 11s are. You have learned only up to this 3 tens are 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. This is what you have learned, isn't it? But you can still do further. How? You know that in 3 table, it is always plus 3. In 4 table, it is always plus 4. See here, 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 3 gives you 30. Right? Similarly, if you find out for the next number 3 11s are 30 plus 3 will give you 33. So 3 11s are 33. Right? If you want to find 3 12s are, so plus 3 again, 33 plus 3, 36. See, you got it. 3 12s are 36. 36 you got. So this is what we actually wanted to find. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. 36 divided by 3 is 12. It means the time given for making rotis was 36 and each roti was taking 3 minutes. Each roti was taking 3 minutes, isn't it? So So in total, how many rotis he could make? He could make 12 rotis. He could make 12 rotis. Clear? Any doubt in this problem? Any doubt here? Please ask me if you have any doubt.
No doubts, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
This problem
No
clear?
doubts, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
doubts,
Do you understand how we found the 3 12s are 36?
No doubts. Yes,
Raj
ma'am.
has only 36 minutes to make. Raj has only 36 minutes to make rotis. Each roti takes 3 minutes to prepare. So number of rotis he can make is 36 divided by 3. That is 12. I have shown you how you got 12 also here. Isn't it? So next, let us go to the next problem now.
Page number.
Amma?
12 and answer Ma'am,
Yeah,
page number.
I'm telling you.
Page number.
Yeah. Wait. I'm telling you. Yeah, so page number 171. So let us see the next one. There are 24 footmarks of goats. There are 24 footmarks of goats. So how many goats were there? So generally, do you know how many legs a goat has?
Ma'am, page number.
100.
Ma'am. 4 legs each got.
Each goat will have 4 legs, right?
Yes.
Each
Yes,
goat
ma'am.
has 4 legs. So every 4 footmarks can be for one goat. This is for one goat. This is for another second goat. This is for third goat. This is for fourth goat. This is for fifth goat. And this is for sixth goat, right? So in total, how many goats here we have? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But children, always grouping like this may not be possible. Then how to find out? In total, there are 24 footmarks. There are 24 footmarks.
Ma'am, 24 divided by 4.
Listen, and we know that each
24
goat,
divided by 4.
very good, yes.
Ma'am, please
Each
call us
goat
to
has 4. Each goat has 4 legs. So 24 divided by 4 gives you 6. Let us see that also. Yeah. So here, let us check here. See, number of footmarks of goats 24. Each goat has 4 legs. So number of goats is equal to 24 divided by 4. So you have to check the table of 4, isn't it? If you have 24 divided by 4, 24 divided by 4, you have to check 4th table. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. I think we are going beyond. We want only 24. So here it is 4 6s are 24. So 6 is the answer, isn't it? So there were total 6 goats whose 24 footprints were drawn there. Okay, hope you understood this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Shruti, any doubt? Kartika, you
No,
have
ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, fine. Okay. So let us go back to the lesson. The next problem is, some girls are playing a game with both their hands. The girls who are playing have 60 fingers altogether. So you have to find how many girls are playing. So total, how many fingers are there? 60. Total, how many fingers? 60.
60.
So total fingers.
60, ma'am.
Yeah, good. But let me explain so that those who do not also they understand, isn't it? But very good, you have given a correct answer. But please listen to me then.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. Okay, so total number of fingers. Total fingers are 60. Okay, but each girl have how many fingers? Do all of you know? Yes, very good. We know that we have 10 fingers, isn't it? So each finger, each girl has fingers is equal to 10, isn't it? So how many girls? Total girls playing, total girls playing is equal to 60 divided by 10. And whenever we say this, you know that we see the table of 10. 10 ones are 10. It's very simple. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 six are 60. You got it? 60 you got. So 6 is the answer. So there were 6 girls playing the game. There were 6 girls playing the game. Right? Hope this is clear. Let us go back to our question. Another question. So number of fingers of all the girls is 60. Each girl has 10 fingers. Number of girls is equal to 60 divided by 10. That is 6 girls were playing the game. Okay. So next one. Now, Lakshmi has 27 kilograms of potatoes to sell. Total number of kilograms of potatoes were 27. So let us see that problem now. The 3 men came and bought equal amounts of potatoes. Each man bought dash kilograms of potatoes. So you have to find out how many kilograms of potatoes each man has taken. So amount of potatoes, total potatoes, weight of potatoes, how much was that? Then how many men? Yeah, so let me allow you to speak. So total, what is the total weight of potatoes? Lakshmi has 27 kilograms. 27 kilograms, right? And three men, number of men were 3. Number of men were 3. And 3 men have got
27 divided by 3.
very good. 3 men have got equal weight of potatoes, isn't it? So each man is 27 divided by 3. In this case, we have to check the 3 table. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6.
27, ma'am.
3?
No, 3 nines are.
Very good. So let me check. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24.
9 kg, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. 3 nines are 27.
9
So,
kg, ma'am.
Each man was 9 kilograms. Each man was getting 9 kilograms. Let us check what we have done is right or wrong. First man was getting 9 kilograms. Second man was getting 9 kilograms. Third man was getting, this is what we have proved. For each man, it should be 9, 9, 9 equally, isn't it? Let us add and check. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Yes, you got 27 kilograms, isn't it? So each man was getting 9 kilograms of potatoes and 27 kilograms was equally shared among 3. Okay, fine, very good. So next, let us see the next one. So just quickly have a steps, look at these steps. Amount of potatoes to sell is equal to 27 kilograms. Number of men who bought potatoes is equal to 3. Therefore, amount of potatoes each of them bought is equal to 27 kilograms divided by 3. Looking at 3 table, you know that 3 nines are 27. So each man bought 9 kilograms of potatoes. So hope this is very clear. Okay. Let us go to the next one.
Jumping animals. Jumping animals.
Yeah. So next. Now jumpy animals. This is very interesting. Please look in, listen to me carefully. Next part is jumpy animals. A frog jumps 2 steps at a time. So how many steps at a time frog can jump?
2, ma'am. 2 steps,
A
ma'am.
squirrel jumps 3 steps. A rabbit jumps 5 steps.
Rabbit
A horse jumps 15 steps.
jumps 5 steps. Horse jumps 15 steps. Kangaroo jumps 30 steps.
Right.
15 frog jumps 20.
Now, please remember, frog can jump 2 steps, squirrel can jump 3 steps, rabbit can jump 5 steps, horse can jump 15 steps, whereas kangaroo can jump 30 steps. Right. So, okay, now let us see what is the problem. What is that they are asking us to do? Use the path on the next page to find out. See, the path is given here. So numbers are given from 0 to 30, right? So how many jumps can frog make at a time? 2. So see here, 2. Then next step he will go to 4. Next step he will go to 6, right? This is frog. What about squirrel? Squirrel can jump 3 steps.
1, 2, 3.
Next.
3, 6.
Rabbit 5 steps, ma'am.
Similar
Rabbit,
rabbit, 5 steps. So let us not show all these things here. Now you hope you can understand the stepping problems we have done in the previous classes also. So let us check what we can do it or not. In how many jumps will the frog reach 30? So 30 steps. 30 steps he has to reach at the 30th step. So how many jumps will it take? Okay, for that, see here, you can see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So how many times you have to count? But you cannot keep on counting always. You can simply say that 30.
15 steps.
Yeah, but how did you get? So how many jumps will the frog reach? 30. 30 divided by 2. Each time frog takes steps. Yeah. So each time the frog takes 2 steps. So to reach 30th step,
Divided by 2.
you have to find out what? In 2 table, where do you get 30? Isn't it? So how to know this? So 30 is more than 20. So let me start with 2 tens are 20. And 20 table, you know that it's plus 2, isn't it? So 2 11s are 20 plus 2, 22. 2 12s are 22 plus 2, 24. 2 13s are 24 plus 2, 26.
46, ma'am.
2 14s are 26 plus 2,
28, ma'am.
Very good.
28, ma'am.
28
2
plus
9
30.
30, ma'am.
We reached 30. We reached 30. So how many jumps a frog will take to reach 30?
15, ma'am.
15 jumps.
15 jumps.
So frog makes 15 jumps to reach 30. Okay. So let us see the next one now.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the next question? In how many jumps will the squirrel reach 27? 27. So now frog was taking 2 jumps at a time. But squirrel, how many jumps?
5 jumps, ma'am. 5 jumps.
3 jumps. Squirrel was taking 3 jumps.
3 jumps.
Now to reach 27, each time 3 steps, 27 divided by 3.
27, ma'am. 9 is the answer.
Very good. 3 9s are 27. So
3
squirrel has to jump 9 times. Squirrel has to jump 9 times to reach 27th step. To reach 27th step. Yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Squirrel has to jump 9 times to reach 27th step. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now let us go back.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, which number will the kangaroo reach in 2 jumps? 1 jump, how many steps kangaroo?
5 jumps, ma'am.
Hey, check it up, check it up.
5
1
jumps,
jump.
ma'am.
Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo is a direct animal here. 30
jumps,
steps.
ma'am. 30.
Yeah,
30
so
jumps.
one step, 30, oh sorry, 1 jump, 30 steps. 2 jumps,
60 jumps, ma'am.
yeah, 30 plus 30, 60 or 2 times of 30. 2 jumps means 2 times, isn't it? 2 times 30, that is 2 into 30. What is 2 into 30? Multiply and check. So 60th step. So which number will the kangaroo reach in 2 jumps? It will reach 60th step. 60 steps, right? Then who all will meet at the number 15? So let us check this. Let us check this. Okay. When frog jumps 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, will it reach 15?
No, ma'am.
How do
No,
we?
ma'am.
So let us write the numbers here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
ఎవరు లేరు ఆ చెల్లి
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay. Okay, children, now check it here. When frog is jumping.
29, 30.
Now listen. When frog is jumping, it is reaching first 2,
Next
4,
Next 4, ma'am.
6,
6, ma'am. Next 8, ma'am.
10,
10, ma'am.
15.
Next 12.
Is it reaching 15?
No, ma'am.
No, it's going to 16. It's going to 16, not reaching 15. Right? Now let us see for squirrel. Let us see for squirrel.
1, 2, 3.
First, squirrel reaches 3.
Next is 6, ma'am.
Next 12. Next 15. Yes,
15.
squirrel reached 15. Squirrel reached 15, right?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
4 plus 3, 18. And so on. Okay, what is the next animal? What is the next animal?
Rabbit, ma'am.
Rabbit.
Rabbit, ma'am.
How many steps? How many jumps?
5 steps.
5.
5 steps, ma'am.
First it reaches
5 steps, ma'am.
5 plus 5, 10.
5
plus
steps,
15,
ma'am. 25. Rabbit reached 15, ma'am.
Very good. Rabbit also reached 15. What is the next animal? What is the next animal?
Horse, ma'am.
Horse.
Horse, ma'am.
How many steps?
15, ma'am. 15, ma'am.
20,
15.
30. But it did not reach 15 because it is jumping 10 steps at a time. Isn't it? So next,
No, ma'am. It is not 10. It is 15, ma'am.
is it 15? Okay, let me see. Yeah, just a second. Let's just, maybe I am wrong. I have not checked properly.
Jump 15 steps at a time.
Wow, horse jumps 15 steps. So I'm wrong here, isn't it? Very good. Thank you for correcting that. So okay. So horse in the first jump itself reaches 15.
15.
Isn't it?
Next
So, okay.
30. Next
Yeah.
45.
Right. So horse jumps 15.
Ma'am, a kangaroo jumps 30 steps.
Yeah, next.
That is not reached, ma'am.
kangaroo and it directly goes to 30. Then 60. So it is not at all going to 15. So now tell me which animals go. Wait, let me share that. Yeah. So here the question is, who all will meet at the number 15? Tell me who all will meet. One is squirrel.
One is
Squirrel,
Rabbit, and the other one is horse. Right? So these three will go to 15, will reach 15, isn't it? The other two will not. So next, let us see the next one. Will the rabbit ever be at the number 18? Rabbit 5, 10,
No, ma'am.
15. No, it's
No, ma'am.
different
No,
university. So the simple answer is no. Rabbit can never be on 18. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Next, how many jumps of the rabbit equal one jump of the horse? What is how many jumps does horse takes? 15 steps.
15 steps.
Isn't it?
Five.
And rabbit, how many times it has to jump? How many times it has to jump? 1, 2, 3. So rabbit has to.
Because 5 3s are 15.
Very good. Rabbit each time is 5 jumps, 5 steps. So 5 3s are 15. It means rabbit needs to jump 3 times to reach as horse. Right? Okay. So how many jumps of the rabbit equal one jump of the horse is 3 jumps. 3 jumps, right? Okay. So hope you understood this. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How many jumps of the horse equals 2 jumps of the kangaroo? What is 2 jumps of kangaroo? If 2 times kangaroo jumps, how many step? Which step it reaches? It reaches 60. So horse, how many times it should jump to reach 60? 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 15, 45. And then 15? What is 15? 45 plus 15? 45 plus 15 is 60. So horse needs 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. Horse has to jump 4 times to reach kangaroo for 1 jump, isn't it? 2 jumps. How many jumps of the horse equals 2 jumps of kangaroo? 4 jumps, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Which is the smallest number where the frog and the squirrel will meet? Frog 2, 4, 6, 8. Squirrel 3, 6, 9. So what is the common step?
6.
Very good. 6 is the common step. That is the smallest step and common step where frog and squirrel are meeting. So which is the smallest number where the frog and squirrel will meet is 6. Correct? Did you understand? So for all these questions, just you have to write this. If you can understand this, you can do it. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, quickly. Do one thing. You just take down these. You are only up to this. You take down. Then you can answer very easily, quickly. I'll just give you few seconds. Make it fast. Make it fast. Write down.
Notebook.
Yeah, in notebook. Make it fast. Quickly write.
What, ma'am?
Huh?
What, ma'am?
Only these: frog, squirrel, rabbit, horse, kangaroo. What steps they are reaching? See, take down so that you can answer every question given there. Make it fast. Take down these numbers quickly. Done? Done? Yeah, so I'm removing this now. Let us go. See, now we have test for you.
I am not done, ma'am.
Make it fast then.
I have not done, ma'am.
Okay, anyways, I will send you this.
Not done, ma'am.
Listen, I will send you.
Ma'am, please, Ma'am, board cannot not see, ma'am.
What is not seen? It's very clear, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, anyway.
Ma'am, it's clear to us, ma'am.
you
Yeah, now listen.
To me.
Then children, listen. Those who have noted down, well and good. Those who have not, you should be fast. But anyways, I will send it to you. Now let us go back to the lesson. And now it is a test for you. How quick you are. We will check. Okay. How quickly you can answer. This is what the problem here is. How quick are you? Are you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
I will ask one by one. First, I will meet you all and give chance to one by one everyone.
Give me chance, ma'am.
Okay. So first, let me write down the problems on the board. Divide into groups of 2 using 2 times. That is table 2 table. Hope you know 2 table very well. Because all of you know 2 table very well. Quickly you can answer. Yes, who is this drawing? Please don't draw. You also want to draw along with me? Huh? Yeah. So first one is 18 divided by 2. Next is 18 divided by 9. Next 16 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2. Get ready with the answers. I may ask anyone. Okay. Dash divided by 2 is equal to 7. Okay. So dash divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Next 8 divided by dash is equal to 4. Next is dash divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay. So hope all of you are ready. Are you all ready to answer? Yes, very good. So let me start with Mohammad Uzair. Are you ready, Mohammad Uzair? You should be
Yes,
quick.
ma'am.
Yeah, so first one, 18 divided by 2. So what is the
Ma'am,
answer?
I am writing, ma'am.
No, now you listen and tell me the answer. Whoever I ask, they should answer me. Okay. So yes,
ma'am.
Uzair. See and tell me 18 divided by 2. What is that you have to check? You have to check in 2 table. So tell me how
Yeah,
many
ma'am.
times? 2, how many times is 18?
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18.
Very good. So
9
now,
is the answer, ma'am.
very good. See, hint I have given. 2 9s are 18. It means in every problem, if you multiply these two, you will get this answer. 2 9s are 18. Isn't it? Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, good. So next, please mute yourself. Chandanasri. Chandanasri, quick. I will not wait for anyone for long time. As I call you, you
Ma'am.
should be ready. Yeah, 18 divided by 9, Chandanasri. So 9 table. Where do you get 18 in 9 table? Read out. Read out the 9 table.
9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are
9 2s 18
Four.
also you want your parents' help. Huh? So 9 2s are 18. So 2 is the answer. See, you can see that when you multiply these two, you are getting this answer. So 9 2s are 18. Right? Okay, Chandrasri, good. You mute yourself. Next is T. Srujana. T. Srujana.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, 16 divided by 2. 2 table.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. So here, when you multiply these two, you are getting the answer dividend, isn't it? So 8 2s are 16. 16. See, this is what you have to. isn't it? So this is hint,
Yes.
and what you gave answer is right. Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Next, Bhumika Singh. Quickly. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti, be ready. Yeah, Bhumika, 20 divided by 2. Quickly.
2 tens are 20.
Very good. 2 tens are 20. So if you multiply these two, 10 multiplied by 2 gives you the dividend, that is 20. Okay, good, Bhumika. Next, Shruti.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself, Bhumika.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti, dash divided by 2 is equal to 7. Dash divided by 2 is equal to 7. How to get this?
7
I-
2s are 14, ma'am.
Huh? Yeah, very good. See here, these two you multiplied, you got this dividend. These two you multiplied, you got dividend. These two you multiplied, you got dividend. Here also, if you multiply this and this divisor and the answer, you will get the dividend. 2 sevens are 14. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Very good, Shruti. Right answer. Very good. Next, mute yourself, Kartika.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Are you ready, Kartika? No? Shall I go to the other student? Yeah. So, Brinda Balseti.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So, Brinda, dash divided by 2 is equal to 10.
20, ma'am.
Very good. So, if you multiply these two, 2 tens are 20. So, 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Very good, Brinda. Next, let me go to your students have done. Joseph Prince. Joseph Prince.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 8 divided by dash is equal to 4. 8 divided by
Yes,
dash is
what,
equal
ma'am?
to 4. 8 divided by dash is equal to 4. So you have to find out what should be multiplied by 4 to get 8. What should be multiplied by 4 to get 8? Check. Huh?
4 2s are, ma'am.
Very good. So multiply these two, you are getting 8. Very good. So 4 2s are 8, isn't it? So just multiply this number with some number to get this dividend. You will get the answer. Very good, Joseph. Next, Ritika, are you ready? Those who have answered, please mute yourself. Yeah, Ritika, are you ready? What's the issue? You have not unmuted. Okay, let me go to Karanya Kumar. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, dash divided by 2 is equal to 5.
2 5s are 10, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So if you multiply these two, you are getting this number dividend. So 2 5s are 10, or 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Very good, Karanya. Please mute yourself. Let us go to the other problems now quickly. Be in mute, don't make noise. I will ask you. Next is divide into group of 5 using 5 times table. So here the problems are 10 divided by 5, 20 divided by dash is equal to 4. Next is 15 divided by 5 is equal to dash. Next is 40 divided by 8 is equal to dash. Next is 20 divided by 5 is equal to dash. Dash divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then 25 divided by 5 is equal to a dash. Then dash divided by 5 is equal to 3. 35 divided by 5 is equal to dash, and few more problems I will write later. So let us come back. So now let me call again G. Srujnasri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to. Check in fifth table. Where do you get 10? 10 divided by 5.
2 5s are, ma'am.
Very good. 5 2s are 10. So answer is? Srujnasri, what is the answer?
2 5s are.
2. Tell me, answer is 2. Very good. So when you multiply these two, you are getting dividend 10. Okay, good. So next is Kshiraj. Kshiraj, are you ready? You should be alert. As I call, you should unmute yourself. Kshiraj, unmute. What happened, Kshiraj? You are sleeping? I can't wait for you. CH Nishant. Nishant, unmute. Nishant. What is the problem? Why you are not able to unmute yourself? Nishant, unmute. Dhanush.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanush, be ready. So Nishant, 20 divided by dash is equal to 4. So check it in 4 table. How many times is 20? Tell me 4 table. 4.
Right, ma'am.
Very good. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, and 4 fives are 20. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Good, Nishant. Next, Rishika. Rishika, unmute. What is the problem, Rishika? Okay, let me go to other student now. Kartika Durga. Unmute. Yeah. Kartika
Yeah,
Durga,
ma'am.
15 divided by 5 is equal to dash.
Ma'am. 5 3s are 15, ma'am.
Very good. 5 threes are 15. So 15 divided by 5
Or
is equal to
3
3.
5s are 15.
Yes, very good. So, okay, next. Ritika, are you ready? No, she has gone again. Okay, let me go to the student. Hemanandana.
Yes, ma'am.
So, next is 40 divided by 8 is equal to dash.
Oh,
Read out 8 table.
40 divided
Read out 8 table.
8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24.
Huh? 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are
8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40.
8 fives are 40. Put it here. You want 40. Here, listen. You want 40.
Yes.
So 8 fives are 40. 5 is the answer. Right? You should be alert, Hemanandana.
Yes.
Next, Sharon. Sharon, quickly. Sharon. You people are wasting the time. Make it fast. Yes, hi, Chetan. Are you ready? As I call you people.
Yes, ma'am.
go. Yeah, 20 divided by 5 is equal to dash. Fast.
4.
Very good. Next, Jashmita. Next, Jashmita. Dash divided by 5 is equal to 6. Dash divided by 5 is equal to 6. Jashmita. Dhanush, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Jashmita, answer. Dash divided by 5 is equal to 6. Multiply these two, you will get this answer. 5 6 are 5 6 are. Read out 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are
5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10.
10. 5
Five.
6 are
5 twos are 10.
5 3 are
5 6 are 30.
Not reading properly. Okay, 5 6 are 30. Next, Dhanush. Dhanush, make it fast. 25 divided by 5 is equal to dash. 25 divided by 5. Read out 5 table. Read out 5 table.
5 ones are 5. 5
Ah.
twos are 10.
Ah.
5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25.
Say you want
5
25. You want 25. So 5 fives are 25. What is the answer? What is
5
the
fives are 25.
So answer is 5. Okay. Okay, good. Harshavat Rasagnya. 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 Why you people are not ready? As I call, you should answer. Abbas. Abbas. Nikhit. Nina Maria. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so next one, dash divided by 5 is equal to 3. Dash divided by 5 is equal to 3. How will you get this
Then
answer?
15, ma'am.
Huh?
15, ma'am.
Very
15.
good. Very good. Dash divided by 5. That is 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 and you get by multiplying 5 and 3. Very good. Next, whoever knows the answer, everyone can answer. Nina Maria, Harshavarshi, Harshavardhini, whoever, Nikhit, Kenko, Revati, everyone can answer. 35 divided by 5. Read out 5 table.
7, ma'am. Answer.
5 7 is 35.
5 7 35.
Yes, good.
7 5 35.
Similarly, you have few more. See, check it. Check this. Divide into groups of 10 using 10 times table. 20 divided by 10. Quickly answer. 20 divided by 10.
10 2 20.
Very good. 30 divided by 10.
3.
10 3 is 30. 40 divided by 10.
4.
Very good. 50 divided by 10.
5, ma'am. 5.
5.
Five.
40 divided by dash is equal to 4.
10, ma'am.
Very good. 10 times 4 is 40. Dash divided by 10 is equal to 8.
8.
You have to multiply these two. 10 8s are
80.
80. So 8 divided by 10 gives you 8. 10 dash divided by 10 is equal to 5.
50, ma'am.
Very good. 50 divided by 10. Next, dash divided by 10 is equal to 3.
30.
Very good. 30. Next, dash
20,
divided by 10 is equal to 2.
20.
Very good. 20. Next, 60 divided by dash is equal to 6.
10, ma'am. 10.
Very good. These two should be multiplied to get 60 is 10 times. So 10 6 plus 60. Wow, very good children. Done well. So you have small puzzles. You have small puzzle. Divide the clockwise into 3 parts so that sum of the numbers in each part is same. This is homework for you. Try. If you don't get, I will tell you in the next class, because this is puzzle. You should able to. You try. It will be very funny and very good to do. Okay. So that is your homework for today. The remaining problems I will send you as a work. Please, all of you complete that work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just a second, children. Did all of you write your names in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
also take a picture of the attendance.
I have written. I also written, ma'am. I have written my name, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Let me also take the attendance here. I'll take the picture later. G. Sujana Sri.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for
Wait a
taking
second,
class,
children.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am, for taking class. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay,
bye,
children.
ma'am.
I've
Thank
taken
you,
your
ma'am.
attendance also. I'll send you the work.
Thank
to
you,
your,
ma'am. Bye,
yeah,
ma'am.
to your
For
WhatsApp group.
taking
Please
class.
write and submit it, all of you. Okay.
Bye,